Everyone wants to mold body thighs muscles through shaping, strengthening, and toning exercise, which is favorable procedures for an ordinary person. A person with a magnificent approach of stronger thighs move faster, improve its stability, and jumps higher at various movements. Consequently, if you want to give strength to your legs, then simply attains the goal of smaller thighs. It is very important to acknowledge that cardiovascular and muscle health is important than size of leg. So you can easily use various size of jeans during daily lifestyle routine. If you want to lose thighs fat fast, then you want to do exercises on daily basis for only one specific body part. You can enjoy or implement various exercises to reduce thigh fat fast, which will give more strength and endurance to your legs. So if you are looking for some awesome and body friendly exercises, then do follow the procedures to lose thigh fat fast. These 10 activities will provide body shape and strength to thighs, legs, and look healthier than before. The first more important activity is to implement the activity of indoor cycling class. Indoor cycling class is one of the prominent exercise to lose thigh legs and look fit for all types of clothes. An acknowledgement of indoor cycling class will help you to reduce or lose thigh extra weight. This exercise will offer you an impressive workout. Resultantly, indoor cycling class is not only favorable for weight loss, healthier body, but also helpful for tuning the legs. In addition, it is also helpful to get rid of cardiovascular problems, and there are various studies shows that women lose an impressive thigh weight due to indoor cycling exercise. Our second most important tip is find a set of stairs. If a person has a weight of 160 pounds, then he can burn 300 calories in 30 minutes and 600 calories in 1 hour through running from set of stairs. You can easily overcome thighs weight through stair running workout. Set of stairs procedure will help you to reduce thighs weight at optimum level, and it forces to look your leg muscles slim. The third most important tip is take it to the sand. Beach is the most favorable place for everyone to enjoy with friends and family. But if you are living near beach, then it is highly recommended trip to lose thigh muscles in fast pace. There are various certified trainers who agrees with beach walking exercises to energize thighs. In addition, a periodic walking exercise at beachside will help you to overcome thigh muscle. You will follow the pattern to take walking exercise daily of 20 minutes. When your body gets accustomed to take exercise on daily basis, it will formidable for your muscle strength. Therefore, you can easily add more time to your exercise after daily working. Our fourth prominent tip is always experience balanced style workout. If you are a dancer, then it will really assist you to accomplish your exercise goal. Everyone knows that dancers have good stamina to perform various moves during different styles. This helps you to give strength and power to your legs. Your legs look amazing and gorgeous after various dancing moves. Our fifth important tip is pick up a sport. If you want a speedy change in your body dimension, then various sports will help you to overcome thigh muscles. Every sport has different direction in your everyday life activity. Therefore, you will put some instant result to shape your legs from all angles. Best sports for slim and beautiful thigh muscles aerobically are as follows, which include swimming, golf, running, volleyball, cycling, and dancing. All sports are very support and favorable to lose thigh muscles at an acceptable level. Hence, you will get a remarkable result after implementing one of the best sport activity in your daily life Our sixth important tip is increased resistance training. An excessive body measurement requires comprehensive steps through wall sits, lunges, sit-ups, push-ups, inner and outer thigh lifts. And instant resistance training proved to be an effective way to burn calories and reduce fat. However, these lower body exercises initiate to lose thigh muscles at optimum level. You follow the chart of daily exercise of legs twice a day. Furthermore, lower body and upper body movements help to retain and reduce the chance of obesity. It will helpful and powerful to grab an advantageous result to provide strength to thigh muscles. Our seventh most important tip is do body weight squats. Body weight squats reflects the meaning to burn calories and provides a strengthening approach towards your leg muscles. You need to follow the rules of body resistance to overcome excessive body weight in thigh muscles. Moreover, it's great and favorable for you to do these exercises anywhere at any time. This is one of the challenging exercises for a normal person to implement in our daily life routine. Work Our eighth important tip include work your inner thighs. It is very difficult to target inner thigh exercise. Researchers asked that it is a strenuous approach to target thigh muscles. Sometimes it is awkward for you to do all these exercises, and there are numerous people who are not feasible to join these exercises in their lives. But if you are a regular member of gym, then approach towards inner thigh exercise. Our ninth most important tip is try some balance work. The balance work approach put a realistic result to your body thigh muscles, and there are various people who are not familiar with unbalanced approach consequences. Therefore, health experts recommend to follow the balanced approach for fruitful and real result. You can do better work to your smaller muscles in your body, such as legs, thighs, inner and outer side, and tighten the muscles with scheduled exercise at home or at gym area. Resultantly, you will proceed towards the direction of beautiful thigh muscles and lean legs. Our 10th most important activity is to maintain cardiovascular disease. Those people who are interested to take cardiovascular exercise can easily burn calories and put heart into strength position. This exercise will not reduce body fat but also give relaxation to body organs. However, the induction of high intensity interval training initiate overall exercise plan for your daily life routine to reduce body fat and shape the thighs. Your life fitness plan is really helpful for you to overcome belly fat problem. It is very important to acknowledge this information that when a person feels of improving his fitness, it is a really good gesture to accomplish your goal, but it will not put impressive impact on your body weight. In addition, if you want to change body condition at optimum level, then burn more calories than you consume in a day. There are various people who burn calories periodically and give strength to its muscles, but if you lose weight at slow pace, then it's a good indicator for your life to gain success. A renowned institute recommends that losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is very important. Several people proceed towards extreme diet plan which put an adverse impact on their health. So it is important to avoid an extreme diet plan. There are various benefits of weight loss. According to a recent study, a person can easily deprive of heart disease through minor changes in body measurements such as thighs, hips, and buttocks. And there are various recommended tips to lose weight at fast pace in a healthy way. Take excessive amount of water before meals to get your body attentive. Eggs are favorable than grains at brunch time. And our third tip is to avoid use of sugar added items through label check. Finally, if you want to put strength and shape the thighs in appropriate way, then do exercise on daily basis. Give more priority to those exercises which involve legs. It will definitely help you to lose fat, improve your overall fitness, and provide strength to thighs. I hope you enjoy my whole video. It will informative for your daily life routine. Please subscribe Health So Simple for more important and latest videos.